Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today on Dress Up Play-Doh, our doll is feeling a little bit hungry. So today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your doll into a chef. Here's what you need to get started. You need a doll, white Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, and a Play-Doh rolling pin and knife. If you don't have either of those though, then that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask a parent's permission first. Let's get started. Start off by making our chef. I am going to roll out some Play-Doh, then measure her legs and cut out 2 rectangles to match the sizes of her legs. Take each of the rectangles and wrap them around her legs one at a time. Now just repeat the process with the other leg. Now onto our chef's coat. To make that, I am just going to be rolling out some white Play-Doh. We are doing this because you know every chef has a coat, right? Then just measure your doll and cut out a rectangle. Form the rectangle and place it around your doll. Looking great! Now onto the sleeves. To make the sleeves, I like to take a small piece of Play-Doh and flatten it out. Then measure it on your doll's arm. Cut it down to size, then just wrap it around. Perfect! Now on to the next. This chef is looking amazing. To clean up the look a little bit, I am going to add a collar to her chef's coat. To do that, just roll out some Play-Doh and cut out a small little triangle. But be sure to cut out 2. Just place it along her neckline and then voila! Her look is all cleaned up. Even though our chef might get a little messy, she still needs an apron so she doesn't get her coat wet. To do that, I am just going to be rolling out some pink Play-Doh and cutting it into a small rectangle. Then, wrap it around her waist. To add on to the apron look, I am just going to add a small little pocket onto her apron so she can hold all of her meat thermometers in it. Cute! Lastly, we have our chef's hat. To make that, roll out some Play-Doh, then cut it into a rectangle. Form small slits into the chef's hat. Great! Now just roll up the slits until the end of the cut. Once you have finished, fold it together to the size that you want. Any excess Play-Doh can be cut off easily. Then just place it on your doll's head and voila! You have your cute little chef. Here is our cute little chef. Wow, doesn't she look great? What would you want your chef to cook for you? I would want my chef to cook me some spaghetti because that is my favorite meal. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm making next time on Dress Up Play-Doh!
To watch more videos, please subscribe.